Hi, in this video I will show you the working of the software I write using Swift and Python in iPhone and Raspberry Pi. The software I write is Apache Server Controlled iPhone app. Let's get to work. Open app, run Python code, all on, all off, all on, all off. Let's select 0 mean let off, 1 mean let on. Let off, let off, let off, let off, let on. 0, 0, 0, 0, 1. Off, on. On, 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 off, off. On, off. On, off, off. On, on. On, on. Off, 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 off. On, off, on. Off. All on, all off, all on, all off. Thank you for watching me. See you in the next video.